Okay, good morning students. Welcome back to online classes again. So in the last class, I have discussed some of the problems from the exercise 13.5. So I completed in that six problems. Seventh problem, you see, a godown measures 40 meters into 25 meters into 10. 40 meters into 25 meters into 10 meters. Okay, na? 40 into 25 into 10 meters. Do you know what are the measurements? Yes, this is length, this is breadth, this is height. Okay. Very simple is there. One go down is there. Go down means you can expect this classroom. Okay. This classroom is one go down. In that you have to keep some of the cuboids which measures, the measurement is like this, 1.5 meters, 1.5 meters into 1.25 meters into 0.5 meters. Means, just I will tell just like this. You can assume like this. For example, this is a go down. Okay. In this, we are keeping some of the crates. Crates is like this. They are in the form of cuboid. Okay, like this, like this, like this. So, how many cuboids we can keep in this room? Therefore, we should find out whether surface area or volume. Tell me, anyone? Yes? Yes, very good. We have to find out volume. Now, first you find out volume of the go down is equals to, what is the formula please? Yes? Huh? Good, very good. Length into breadth into height. Length into breadth into height. You can find out. Now it is 40 into 25 into 10. So 40 into 10 is 400 into 25. 0, 0. 25 4 is 100. Okay. 10,000 square meter. Sorry. 10,000 meter cube. Okay. Very good. How much it is? 10,000 meter cube. Now, wooden crate. We will find out volume of the wooden crate. Volume of the wooden crate. Same is equals to, it is the form of cuboid, therefore length into breadth into height only. Therefore 1.5 into 1.25 into 0.5. Okay na? Very simple. You can find out 1.5 into 5 5 ja 25, 5 2 ja 10, 10 plus 2 12, 1, 5 1 ja 5 plus 1 is 6. Therefore, how much it is? 0.625. Again, multiply 15. 15 5 ja 75. 15 2 ja 30. 37. 15 6 ja 90. 93. Okay, na? So it is nothing but how much it is there? Yes, you can keep like this. So 1.5, how much it will be? 3 plus 1. Therefore 0.9375 meter cube. Now, how many crates can we keep in that go down? Very simple. This divided by that. So you can directly, therefore, total number of crates is equals to, very good, volume of go down divided by S divided by volume of crate, that is equals to 10,000 divided by, you can keep 0.9375. So approximately how many will come? 1,0,666 approximately. Okay, so it is nothing but 10,677 you will get. Okay, right? You see one more time. One godown is there. In that godown, we have to keep some wooden crates which are in the form of cuboid only. So how many crates can we keep in that godown? So very simple. Volume of the first we have to find out volume of the godown. Since it is in the form of cuboid, therefore its volume is length into breadth into height. It is nothing but equal to 40 into 25 into 10. So if you calculate like this, you will get 10,000 meter cube. Then volume of the wooden crate. What is that? Volume of the wooden crate. Volume of the wooden crate. See, it is also in the form of cuboid only. Therefore, what is the formula? Length into breadth into height. Therefore, 1.5 into 1.25 into 0.5. If you do, you will get 0.9375 meter cube. Therefore, he is asking how many crates you want to keep in the godown. Therefore, volume of the total number of crates is nothing but volume of the godown divided by volume of crates. Therefore, approximately how much will come? How many you can keep? 10,667 you can keep in that godown. Any doubt? Yes? Very good. Next. One more problem. See, I told you again and again you should remember the formulae. Formulae is very important. All the formulae are very important. Please tell again and again. Okay. Volume of cuboid, volume of cylinder, volume of sphere, and volume of cone, like this. Okay. Next problem. A solid cube of side length. Solid cube. That is nothing but what length is, side is how much? 12 centimeters. 12 centimeters. So if you cut into 8 cubes of equal volumes, so first we should find out the volume of the cube. So volume of cube is equals to 12 cube. It is nothing but 1728 centimeter. Yes, what is asking? A solid cube of side 12 centimeter is cut into 8 pieces. How many pieces? Yes. Now we can find out volume of the small cube is equals to 1728 into how many? 8. Very simple. 8 ones, 8 to the 16, again 8 1, 8 6 is 48. Therefore, volume how much? 216 centimeter cube. Therefore, side of the small cube. Side of the small cube. It is nothing but cube root of 216. Do you know how to take out the cube root? Okay, very simple. 216. You can keep like this. Start with 2 because we should use only prime numbers. 2 ones, 1 will not divide, therefore we have to keep 0. Again 16, 2 8 ja, 2 5 ja 10, 2 4 ja, again 2 2 ja, 2 7 ja. Now with 2 it will not possible because it is odd number. Therefore directly 3 9s, again 3 3s, again 3 1s. Okay na? So cube root means out of 3 we have to take 1. Out of 3 2s 1 2. Out of 3 3s 1 3. Therefore 2 3s are 6. 6. Cube root of this is nothing but how much? 6 centimeters. Okay, na? Any doubt? Okay. Now, what is asking? What will be the side of the new cube? It is nothing but 6 only. We got. Now, is asking also find the ratio between their surface areas. Very, very, very simple. Surface area you know or not? Yes? Yes. Surface area stands for total surface area only. Therefore, you can write TSA of a big cube. Of a big cube is equals to 6A square. It is nothing but 6 into 12 square. So it is nothing but 6 into 144. It is nothing but 6 4 ja 24, 6 4 ja 24, 26, 6 1 ja 6 plus 2, 864 centimeter. Next, TSA of a small cube. Same, it is also 6A square only, 6, but A is how much? 6 square. So it is nothing but 6 into 36. How much it is? 6 6 ja 36, 6 3 ja 18 plus 3, 216 centimeter square. Okay, na? Over. Both we found. What we have to find out now? Ratio between their surface area. Ratio between their TSA is equals to 216 divided by 864. Directly we can do, no problem. 8 ones 0, 8 8 ja. Yes, 8 2 ja 16. Yes, 8 7 ja. Next, 3 9s. Or directly you can do 9 3s. 9 1 ja 9 2 ja. 3 1 ja 3 4 ja. Therefore, what is the ratio? 1:4. What is the ratio? 1:4. Very, very simple. You see here, a cube is there whose side is 12 centimeter is cut into 8 equal cubes. So first we will find out the volume of the cube. 12 cube, it is nothing but 1728 centimeter cube. So this has been divided into how many small cubes? 8 cubes. Therefore, if you divide, we will get the volume of new 8. It is nothing but volume of 1 is nothing but 1 cube is how much? 216 centimeter cube. Therefore, side of the small cube is nothing but cube root of 216. We will get as 6 centimeters. Now, we have to find out the surface areas of big and small cubes. Very, very simple. So, total surface area of a big cube is equals to 6A square. A is nothing but side. And first one, big side is nothing but 12. 12 square 144 into 6 is nothing but 864 centimeter square. Next, TSA the small cube. Here side is 6. Therefore, it is also 216 centimeter square. Now, ratio. So, this upon this 216 divided by 864. It is nothing but 1:4. Did you understand? Okay. Next problem. Please maintain the classwork. Almost I am showing all the problems from the exercise. If I left 1 or 2, you please manage them. Okay? Right? But you should maintain the classwork. And whenever you are free, you come and show the notes, submit the classwork, give 1 or 2 days time, and again you can recollect. Right? One more problem. A river is there whose depth is nothing but height. How many meters? 3 meters. See, word problem means whatever they have given, if you write them, then it is very easy to solve the problem. Okay, na? Right. Next, deep and 40 meters wide. 40 meters wide. Wide means breadth. How much it is? 40 meters. flowing at the rate of 2 kilometers per 2 kilometers per hour. Yes, first we will find out the rate of water in 1 minute. Okay, so rate of flow of water in 1 minute. 1 minute means very simple. 2 kilometers means I will write them 2000 meters. Okay, divided by I will write 60. Why tell me 60? Because 1 hour means 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes. So I want in 1 minute. Therefore I have to divide with the 60 only. Therefore it will become 2000 or 200 by 6 meters. Okay, right. This is the rate of water flow in 1 minute. It is also equal to length also. It is also equal to length. Therefore, rate of flow of water is also equal to length of the water in 1 minute. It is also equal to 200 by 6 meters. Okay, na? Next, what we have to find out? Tell me, what will be the how much water will fall into the sea in a minute? Very simple. So we have to find out its volume. Now, volume of water. Volume of water. Very simple. So it is in the form of cubite. Therefore, L into B into H. L is how much? 200 by 6 into breadth is 40 into height is 3 over 3 ones, 3 twos, 2 ones, 2 twos are 0 over 2 twos are 400 or 4000 meter square. 4000 meter cube. Why meter cube? I told you no. We are multiplying 3 times. So meter into meter into meter. It will become meter cube. One more time you see, very simple problem. A river 3 meters depth is there and width of the river is 40 meters. The flow of water in 1 hour is 2 kilometers. So we should find out the volume of the water for 1 minute. For 1 minute. Very simple. First we are finding rate of flow of water in 1 minute. Okay. We are following in 1 minute is equals to 2000 kilometers is nothing but you know that 1 kilometer is equals to how many meters? 1000 meters. And 1 hour equal to how many minutes? 60 minutes. Therefore, 2000 by 60, 0 cancel. Therefore, by seeing this, we can understand that rate of flow of water in 1 minute is also equal to the length of the water for 1 minute also. Therefore, length will be equal to how much? 200 by 6. 200 by 6. Now, we have to find out the volume of that water for 1 minute. Therefore, volume of water in 1 minute is nothing but length into breadth into height. Length is 200 by 6 into breadth is 40 meters into height is 3. By simplifying, we will get 4000 meter cube. Did you understand? You can write meter cube or cubic meters. Both one and the same only. Cubic. How we are writing surface area? Squaring meters or meter square. One and the same only. Okay? There will be no confusion at all. Good. Next. So next problem. Yeah. So we completed this exercise That is volume of the cuboid. Next we will go for cylinder. How to find out the volume of the cylinder? Very very simple. See here, cylinder will be like this. Cylinder will be like this. So cylinder will be like this means very very simple. You have seen that cylinder is nothing but curved surface area which has curved surface area. You see curved surface area or not? Very very simple. You see this is curved surface area and two circles are there. If you see this is one circle and second one is one more circle. I told you before only how to find out the volume of any figure. It is nothing but base area into height. So volume of any figure, it is nothing but base area into height. What is the base area? It is in the form of S circle. What is the area of circle? Pi r square. And what is the height? H over. Therefore, volume of cylinder is nothing but pi r square h over. Did you understand? Yes. So directly we will go for exercise. So what is the volume? Yes, you can write out volume of cylinder is S pi r square h. Right. So next 13.6 exercise. Very very simple. Right. First problem you see. The circumference of a base of a cylindrical vessel is 132 centimeter. What is the circumference of a circle? Anybody? Yes? Pi r square. No. Yes? 2 pi r. Very good. Circumference is equals to 2 pi r. How much he has given circumference? Yes? Circumference how much he has given? Yes? 132. Very very simple. Now pi r is equals to 132 divided by 2. 2 6 ja? Yes, 2 6 ja. Pi means 22 by 7 into r is equals to 66. R is equals to 66 into 7 divided by 22. So 11 2 ja, 11 6 ja, 2 1 ja, 2 3 ja. Therefore R is equals to 21 centimeter or meter. What he has given? Centimeter or meter? Yes, centimeter. So if cylinder is like this, therefore we got the base radius is nothing but 21 centimeter. Next, what you have to do? Cylindrical vessel is 132 and its height is 25 centimeters. Height is how much? 25 centimeters. Next, how many liters of water can it hold? Very simple. Okay, shall we find out? Yeah. What is the hold means? It is nothing but volume only. Volume of a cylinder. Very simple problem. Yes, pi r square h. So what is pi? 22 by 7. R is how much? 21. 21 into 21. What is the height? 25. Very simple. 7 ones, 7 threes. 7 1 into, yes. If you multiply, you will get, yes, 3 4 6 50, 34,650 centimeter cube. But is asking the answer in the liters. Therefore, if you divide with 1000, okay, very simple. If you divide with 1000, you will get 34.650 liters. So how many liters it will hold? 34.65 liters. One more time you see. The circumference of a cylinder is 132 centimeter. We know that circumference of a cylinder. See, circumference of the base. Base is nothing but which is in the form of circle. Therefore, circumference of a circle is nothing but 2 pi r. It is nothing but equal to 132. Therefore, pi r equal to 132 by 2. It is nothing but equal to 66. Therefore, r is equals to pi is nothing but 22 by 7 into r is equals to 66, and r is equals to 66, and this 7 will go in the numerator. 7 divided by 22. 11 2 ja, 11 6 ja, 2 1 ja, 2 yes 3 ja, 3 7 21. Now he is asking how many liters of water can it hold? Hold is nothing but what? Volume only. Therefore, volume of a cylinder is equals to pi r square h. Pi is 22 by 7 into r, so r square 21 into 21, and h is 25 centimeter. If you do 34,650 centimeter cube will come, but he is asking us to convert to liters. You can write 1 centimeter cube is equals to, it is also same how much? 1000 liters only. 1000 liters. So if you divide, you will get 34.650 liters. Okay na? Right. Next. So problems are very simple. You should understand the meaning. Hold, capacity, these are all comes under volume only. Okay na? Yes. Painting and tin required or metal required to make one certain figure. It is nothing but total surface area. Next problem. The inner diameter of a cylindrical wooden pipe is 24 centimeter. Yes. Right? Diameter and radius. Yes. Diameter of a inner cylinder is equals to 24 centimeter. Therefore, radius equal to 24 divided by 2 is nothing but 12 centimeter. Next, diameter of a outer side is nothing but 28. Therefore, r is equals to 28 by 2, 14 centimeters. Okay na? Right. Next. Yes. The length of the pipe is 35 meters. Length is nothing but how much it is? Height only. 35 centimeters. 35 centimeters. And what is asking? Find the mass of the pipe. Find the mass. Mass is nothing but first we have to find out the volume of the wood is asking. Okay? Volume of the wood. Very, very simple. Now volume of the wood, which is in the form of cylinder. Volume of the wood. It is nothing but he has given outer and inner, therefore subtraction we have to is equals to pi r square h minus pi small r square h. This is r and this is r. Okay? So it is nothing but pi h if you take r square minus r square. Pi is nothing but 22 by 7 into 35. It is nothing but 14 square minus 12 square. So 7 1 7 5, 5 2 ja 10, 5 2 ja 10 plus 1 11 into 14 square is 196 minus 144. So it is nothing but 110 into 2 5. Okay na? 52. Total will be 5720. 5720 centimeter cube. Now very simple. Mass of 1 centimeter cube is equals to how much he has given? How many grams? 0.6 grams. Okay na? Therefore 1 centimeter equal to, we have so many centimeter cube. Therefore mass of 5720 centimeter cube is equals to 0.6 into 5720. So it is equal to 3432 grams. Or if you want kg, 1 kg, yes, how much? 1 kg is equals to how many grams? 1000 grams. Therefore, you can write the answer 3432 divided by 1000, 3.432 kg. Okay? So very simple. He has given one cylinder which has inner as well as outer diameters. The inner diameter of the cylinder is 24 centimeter. Therefore, radius will be 12 centimeter. Outer will be 28 and radius will be 14 centimeters. So we should find out the volume of the wood. Volume of the wood means we have to subtract the total first outer minus inner. Therefore, volume of outer minus volume of inner. That is pi h if you take capital R square minus small r square. If you do, how much it will come? 5720 centimeter cube. But he is asking the total mass for 0.6 grams. 1 centimeter cube equal to 0.6 grams he has given. Therefore, how much mass is there with us? 5720. If you multiply, we will get 3432 grams we will get. But grams will be converted to kilograms. It is nothing but 3.432. Yes, 432 kg. Okay? The remaining problems we will see in the next class. Okay, thank you.